Howdy! How's all my friends out there in YouTube land today? We're going to take a little tour of my front yard because we've done the backyard with the gardening, and now we're going to be looking at the front yard and show you all my flowers that I've got out here. Stepping out my front door, and we'll start off with right there is my live trap for my squirrel war. Doggone squirrels. They love to tear my flowers all up. You see, I got my front yard all mulched, and I got little patio stones down, stepping stones, and you see these little sprigs right in here. Those are my irises coming up, and then I got my peonies. They'll be blooming here soon. I got heads on them already. In another couple of weeks they'll be all bloomed out, looking pretty by Memorial Day. And I've got a few tulips that the squirrels haven't ate. You see that pretty red one right there, but you see that stick beside it used to have a head on it where the squirrels ate it, and that's the way with most of my tulips down through here. I've also got some daffodils down in here, and they're needing dead-headed at this point. More peony bushes, more tulips. There's some hostas down in the front there that the squirrels ain't ate. They like to eat them too. I got more on this side of the yard than I do on the other side because the squirrels have played havoc with them. And there's some more of my irises coming up. And we'll just step on around here to the other side of the yard. I've got hibiscus plants over here, and they haven't started leafing out yet, but they'll be coming along shortly. And walk on around here to the other side of the yard. So I just had this mulched all the way around the house here. Got some drainage tiles. You probably see them sticking out down through there for the gutters on the house. Keep water from pooling up. That right there is a pear tree, and the blooms have come off of them now, but the other day they was all bloomed out real pretty. I got two white ones and a pink one, and they're looking nice, coming right along. They wasn't nothing but little sticks when I had them planted 4 years ago out here in the yard. But you see, it just goes right on around. And that right there, that big thing, that's a white magnolia. And the blooms are about gone on it now. But this is my front yard here at the house. And I'll show you the last little thing here that I think you'll get a kick out of. Because most of you know I'm nuttier than a fruitcake. I like to have a good time. But found this online here on my tree. It's a little face that you can put on your tree. That's a zombie face, and I nailed it to the pine tree right here at my front porch. Give everybody a chuckle as they're coming up toward the house. But that's a tour of my front yard. I thought you'd get a kick out of that. Check out all my URLs in the description of the video, with my Etsy store with all my artwork and soap, my Patreon page, Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, and of course YouTube. On Twitch I do a live stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 p.m. Eastern. On YouTube I do a live stream at 8 p.m. Eastern on Monday nights. Hope you'll join me there, and I hope you enjoyed the tour. Only one thing left to say: Brenda's crafty. Be like Brenda. Bye.